Governor Cooper is pushing for everyone in the state of North Carolina to wear a face mask when they're in public. He said yesterday it's an important way to slow the spread of the virus without hurting the economy. He says he'll make a decision on whether masks will be required in public places and about the next phase of reopening at some point early this coming week. Well, the town of Boone will require people to wear a face covering in public indoor spaces starting tomorrow. Young children and people who cannot wear a mask for health reasons are exempt from this new order. The town says it's concerned about tourists coming into town from various coronavirus hotspots. Feelings are mixed among business owners about wearing the masks, but one concern that just about everyone has is how this ordinance will be implemented. Folks who own businesses that were shut down for a couple of months may have to turn away some customers who don't want to wear a mask in their store.
And I guess anybody that's against it, like some of these people been getting kicked off the airlines, then they're just going to have to go outside and be mad at us.
I'm just hoping that people have respect for us and just wear one. It's not that hard.
Town leaders say law enforcement will immediately seek compliance with this order, but will not be issuing fines for the first 3 weeks after it's effective. Again, it goes into effect tomorrow. The town's police department told us just a few minutes ago fines could be as much as $1,000 if written warnings and attempts at education are ignored. And in just a few minutes, as of a few minutes ago, in fact, you will have to wear a mask in public in our state capital. It'll be mandatory to wear a mask in places in Raleigh, like grocery stores, pharmacies, and when you're on public transit. The town of Durham has required face masks since April, and Orange County recently started requiring face masks as well. No statewide mandate as of yet.